Hi guys, welcome back to Baking Fiat. Today we're going to be starting with an eggnog, and then we're going to go into tasting different eggnogs from like grocery stores and stuff. You can be the decider of who is the winner, but I'll be the one tasting it. So you let me know. We'll figure out who's the real winner, okay? But we're also going to have a eggnog recipe. So let's get started. So in a pot on medium heat, we're doing 213 grams of heavy cream. It's 1 cup. And then we're doing 2 cups of regular milk. It's 438 grams. We're adding a pinch of salt. I did a little bit of cinnamon, probably also a pinch. So I'm also doing some nutmeg. Isn't that just cool? The inside of a nutmeg. Anyways. So you can do about 1/4 of a teaspoon. Okay, yeah, that's about it. Just gonna stir it. Okay, cool. So in our bowl, I'm going to take 6 egg yolks, okay, and 1/2 cup of white sugar. It's 119 grams, and we're just whisking that. So we're just trying to get light and creamy. And we don't want to do this too early because the sugar starts cooking the egg yolks. And we also want to remember to stir our hot cream mixture often while we are whisking. Looking good. So maybe you've noticed our camera quality has gone up. I decided to buy, with my Christmas money from my parents, a Logitech Brio. All 3 of us chipped in, so that was amazing. Thanks, Mom and Dad. Okay, so we just want to scald the milk. We're not trying to go anywhere too far with this because when we temper our eggs, we don't want to turn them into scrambled eggs. Amen? Nobody wants that eggy eggnog taste. Eggnog is basically a creme anglaise in terms of flavor. Okay, we are now reaching the simmer. Can you see that? So we're gonna turn off the heat, taking it off. So we're mixing, we're whisking, la-da-da, la-da-dee. We're taking our milk and cream mixture, cool beans. Okay, and we're slowly tempering it in. Again, we're not trying to cook our eggs. I'm just going to put down a towel underneath as a stabilizer. Let's add another. So to temper correctly, our mixture here is going to be the same temperature as our hot pot. We have some good hot pot recently. Really sad that all restaurants are closed for indoor dining. We should be at the point where we can just pour it in slowly. Okay. Let's pour it back in. Yummy. Now it's going back on the stove. Smells like now we're cooking with gas. Like electricity. Y'all see that? We ready. Ooh. Okay. Pulling it off the heat. That didn't take long. Cool beans. Let's pour in the vanilla extract. I'm using about a teaspoon, okay, of the vanilla extract I have made years ago. So yeah. Probably not yours. Last year. Okay, so as it cools, it's going to get thicker, but this is it right now. So in a clean pitcher, I'm just going to pour it in. I'm just going to wrap it in saran wrap, okay? If you can, like get the saran wrap over here because it's going to form a skin. I just can't get saran wrap down there. So yeah, in a little while we can put the cap on. It's now going into the fridge. Okay, so we're going to be doing our taste testing now. I'm lactose intolerant, so I'm about to take a lactose pill. So we have our homemade eggnog. We have some instant mix eggnog. I couldn't really stir it all that great. It's got some weird froth on the top, so I don't think I mixed it all that well. But it says to use cold milk. I don't know. So this is the Farm Boy instant mix brand. And then this is their Farm Boy Organic Egg Nog. I was told this is like the best eggnog. So we're gonna try it out. And then this is our PC eggnog. They also have a creamy eggnog, but I decided that because this is my favorite store brand in Canada, we're gonna do this one. My favorite one in California is the Lucerne from Safeway. They have the best eggnog. If you want to try that out when you're in the States. Okay. So we're gonna, this is semi-warm. It just kind of tastes like creme anglaise. So as you can see, it's like chunky on the top. Yeah, it's quite gross. I'm a little horrified. Bottoms up. So without the powder chunks, it just tastes like a vanilla eggnog, but like vanillin. So there's that. With the Farm Boy Organic, yeah, that actually tastes like the Safeway brand. It's got a different color from the rest. It's a little darker. I mean, even compared to ours, it's a little dark. I do have to admit, that is pretty good though. And then our PC. I think I still like our PC one better. Not gonna lie. But this one's pretty good from Farm Boy the Organic. And if you can get rid of the chunks and you didn't want a eggnog, casing eggnog, the powdered mix is pretty good. But our eggnog's pretty yummy, so you know, if you do make your own eggnog, that's the way to go. But I do like our PC better. So thanks for watching, guys. You're welcome back anytime to my humble abode. Yeah, baking fiat out. Bye, guys.
And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell. Bye. See you later.